In this tutorial, we will explore various methods of string interpolation in Python, providing examples for each method. For a start, what is string interpolation? String interpolation is the process of embedding variables or expressions within strings to create formatted output. For example, given the variable name equals John, we could interpolate the name variable into a formatted string to produce an output like "Hello, John." There are several methods of string interpolation in Python. However, we shall focus on the following common methods. 1. FStrings, which is otherwise referred to as formatted string literal. 2. String formatting with %. 3. String format method. 4. Template strings. 5. Concatenation. And 6. Joining with dotjoin method. FStrings was introduced in Python 3.6 to provide a concise way to embed variables and expressions within strings. It takes the following syntax, where variable name is an actual reference of a variable enclosed within curly braces. Notice that F is placed at the beginning, followed by double or single quotes which enclose the formatted string in the form F quote open formatted string quote close. Example. The example below we give the output, "My name is Alice and I am 30 years old." Using the % operator for string formatting is an older method, but you may find it handy in some cases. The syntax is as follows, where the first %s serves as a placeholder for variable 1 and the second % for variable 2. Notice how % is used to bind the variables to their template string in the manner open quote string close quote % open parenthesis variable close parenthesis. Make sure you place the variables according to the positions of %s you want them to reference, such that the first variable is bound to the first %s, and so on. The example below displays the output, "My name is Alice and I am 30 years old." Take note of the formatting syntax because this is very, very important. The string.format method allows you to interpolate values into strings using curly braces as placeholders. The syntax is as follows. Open quotes The only variable is curly braces, open and close quote, dot format, open parenthesis, variable name, close parenthesis. Note that you can use multiple placeholders and include their variables in the dot format method, separating them with commas. Again, the example below displays the output. My name is Alice and I am 30 years old. Python's string template module provides a way to create template strings with placeholders. The placeholders are string identifiers prefixed with $. These placeholders could be any valid identifier. To use this interpolation method, we need to first import the template class from the string module using from string import template. Next, you declare your variable names as name equals Alice, age equals 30. Next, you instantiate the template class and assign to a variable in the format template equals template open parenthesis, my name is TPT name and I am TPT age years old. Next, you map the actual variables to their placeholders using the dot substitute method as follows. I'm going to assign this, of course, to the variable formatted string template dot substitute open bracket tpt name equals name, which is the variable name, comma, tpt age is assigned age, which is also the variable where the actual stage is stored. Notice that the template variables no longer contain the $sign prefix during the variable mapping. Finally, you print the formatted string as follows. Print formatted string. Again, the output is going to be my name is Alice and I am 30 years old. In Python, you can concatenate string literals and string variables using the plus operator. Be cautious not to concatenate strings with other data types, as these will return a type error instead. Convert the non-string data to string using the str function. For example, the code construct below is going to display the output. My name is Alice and I am 30 years old. The dotjoin method is used to concatenate an iterable of strings. Examples of such iterables are list, tuple, and string. And the syntax, of course, is separator enclosed in double quotes, dot join, a method that accepts iterable as argument, where separator is the symbol that separates individual elements of the iterable. Notice that the dot join method accepts only a single argument which is an iterable. For example, the code below displays the output. My name is Alice and I am 30 years old. I hope this tutorial has been resourceful and that you have learned a lot from it. Kindly support our cause of reaching out to learners across the globe. Like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more of such videos. If you have a specific topic you would want us to cover in our subsequent tutorials, drop us a comment. We shall do our best to document a comprehensive tutorial on the topic. For now, thank you for watching and keep watching Digital Wave Academy.